Withings Body Scan versus Hume Body Pod 2026 Comparison Review. In this video, I'm going to compare the Withings Body Scan and Hume Body Pod. Both are advanced smart scales, but they're designed for different goals. Let me show you which one is right for you. The device's at a glance, the Hume Body Pod costs $200 to $300. The Withings Body Scan costs $400 to $600. That's a huge price difference. Both have retractable handles, tempered glass surfaces, and measure dozens of health metrics, but they measure them differently and for different reasons. What each device measures: Hume Body Pod measures 45 health metrics. It focuses entirely on body composition. Think muscle mass, body fat, visceral fat, bone density, hydration, and metabolic age. It uses 8-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis. The Hume claims 98% correlation with DAXA scans, which is the medical gold standard. Withings Body Scan measures 40 biomarkers originally. The new Body Scan 2 released in 2026 measures 60 biomarkers, but here's the key difference. It includes cardiovascular health features. It has a 6-lead ECG that's FDA cleared to detect atrial fibrillation. It measures vascular age and nerve health. Withings is designed for people who care about heart health, not just body composition. Accuracy and performance: Hume gives you segmental analysis. It breaks down body composition by arms, legs, torso, perfect for seeing if one arm has more muscle than the other. Takes measurements in 60 seconds, super fast. Withings takes 90 seconds. More comprehensive heart and nerve analysis, but some reviewers note Withings is less precise on pure body composition compared to Hume. Withings focuses breadth over depth on some metrics. Price and value: Hume wins on price and value. $200 to $300 for 45 metrics. That's about $5 per metric. Withings at $500 for 60 biomarkers is more expensive overall. However, Withings' cardiovascular features justify the premium if heart health matters to you. Design and usability: both have modern designs, both have retractable handles. Hume feels lighter and more portable, easier to grab and store. Withings is slightly heavier but has premium build quality. Hume's handle is simpler to grip. Withings requires precise thumb positioning on electrodes. Winner for everyday use: Hume. It's faster, lighter, and easier to handle. Family features: Hume supports up to 24 user profiles, perfect for families. Automatic recognition: Withings supports up to 8 profiles. Still good for families, but Hume wins here. App experience: Hume Health app is free. All features work without subscription. Shows segmental breakdowns, trends, AI insights, weekly health reports. Withings Health Mate app is also free for basics. But advanced features like cardio checkup and personalized AI insights require a Withings Plus subscription at $9.95 per month. Choosing between them, choose Hume Body Pod if you want to track body recomposition and fitness progress. You care about muscle mass, body fat, and how your body changes. You want the best value for money. You weigh yourself often and want something light and portable.